Ever wondered if those fancy Asana courses are actually worth the money? Or maybe you're just trying to figure out if there's a way to learn Asana without breaking the bank. Well, you're in the right place. Asana has become a go-to project management tool for teams of all sizes. And with so many courses out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is right for you, especially if you're on a budget. Part 1. The free options. Asana's official resources. Help Center. This is your first stop. Asana's Help Center is packed with tutorials, articles, and videos that cover everything from the basics to advanced features. Asana Academy. This is a great place to start your learning journey. It offers a variety of free courses on different topics, including project management, task management, and team collaboration, online communities and forums. Reddit. There are several active Asana subreddits where users share tips, tricks, and resources. You can find everything from beginner guides to advanced workflows. Asana's community forum. This is a great place to ask questions and connect with other Asana users. You might even find someone who's willing to help you learn for free. YouTube tutorials. Search for Asana tutorials on YouTube and you'll find countless options. Many creators offer free tutorials that cover a wide range of topics. Part 2. Paid courses. Are they worth it? Benefits of paid courses. Structured learning. Paid courses often provide a structured learning experience with clear objectives and assignments. Expert guidance. You'll have access to expert instructors who can answer your questions and provide personalized feedback. Certification. Some paid courses offer certifications that can boost your credibility and career prospects. Factors to consider. Your learning style. Do you prefer self-paced learning or do you need more structure? Your goals. What do you want to achieve with Asana? Are you looking to improve your productivity, streamline your workflow, or learn advanced features? Your budget. How much are you willing to spend on a course? When to consider a paid course? If you're struggling to learn Asana on your own. If you need a structured learning experience. If you want to earn a certification. If you're looking for in-depth knowledge of specific features. Part 3. Choosing the right course. Research and reviews. Look for courses with positive reviews from other students. Check the course syllabus to see if it covers the topics you're interested in. Look for courses that offer a money-back guarantee or a free trial. Consider the instructor. Does the instructor have experience using Asana? Do they have a good reputation? Look for courses that align with your learning style. Some courses are more hands-on, while others are more lecture-based. We've discussed the different options available for learning Asana, including free resources and paid courses. The best way to learn Asana is to find a method that works for you. Experiment with different options and don't be afraid to try new things. If you're still unsure about whether a paid course is right for you, consider trying a free option first. You might be surprised at how much you can learn. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.